Hey, Delaware, all you blue hens, this is Joe Biden. I'm here with a request that you add one more thing to your back-to-school to-do list. Make sure you're registered to vote. You can determine the outcome of the upcoming elections if you vote in the same proportion that those folks between 40 and 60 vote. Our democracy and all of our freedoms we hold so dear depend on your diligence, your engagement, and your vote. You're the most progressive generation in the history of America. This video shows step by step how to register to vote, how to sign up for reminders regarding Election Day. And it's easy, it's quick. And by the way, it's your responsibility as citizens of this country. So make it count. Make it count. Register now.
The University of Delaware has partnered with TurboVote, an online service that makes the voting process easy, and especially for students.
TurboVote walks students through the process of registering to vote or requesting an absentee ballot, regardless of the state that they're voting in.
To make the process easier, if you want to vote by absentee ballot, TurboVote will send you the pre-addressed and pre-stamped forms.
Are you already registered to vote? All students who sign up for TurboVote will automatically receive a text or email message with important information regarding upcoming elections at the state, local, and national levels.
Here's how it works. Use any device and go to udel.turbovote.org. From there, hit Get Started and enter your information such as where to get reminders about elections and where you currently reside. Select your party and whether you'll vote in person or by absentee ballot. And that's it. Signing up takes a significantly less amount of time than it takes you to watch this video.
I think for me and so many of the other students, it's the power of the reminders that come with it and having something that's going to show up on your phone reminding you when it is that you need to vote, when you need to submit that absentee ballot.
Here at the Make It Count campaign, we utilize TurboVote pretty much all the time. So again, that's udel.turbovote.org.